Associate President ke National People's Party ke Meghalaya, Dr. rkhie ulapan pau waka 17 North Shillong constituency kedai ke constituency ke ulapan mi bon ki kertong ki bakrau bat ki balawan ra ka nam bat kaburam ya ka jella barok away ya kan Dr. rkhie ulapan tip haga jingelang ban pens kam ya ka block executive committee jong ke NPP North Shillong constituency bakan thop nado ki nong kit kam jong ki rang ba ki long kme bat kum ju ru jong ki samla Haka ni kasih laga don lang ruki kertong ke NPP bakan top na North Shillong uba ransam sutengah na maulai uba taibor pathau na pentor umkra uba rkhie ka kertong na nong thamai ka kong Jasmine lingdo lambat kinong ketkam ke National People's Youth Front but NPP Women's Wing. Ukertong ke NPP jong ke 17th North Shillong constituency uba ransam sutengah habakran haka ni jingalang ula khot bat weri kinoi lam ke NPP bat kumjuru ikiri baj ba nong kersan bakinya trai shitom na benta ban wanrah lang ya ke jingkala hapo ke constituency.
I want each one of you to work hard and I want each one of you to bring victory. Jitega! Jitega! From women's wing, Jitega! Okay, so this is my desire. You know, women's wing can bring change. Women's wing can bring victory. And also, not forgetting NPYF, not forgetting youth wing, not forgetting the youth of the party. Okay, youth of the party, you are at the front, and you have the responsibility to do well. You have every responsibility to bring change. Youth is the future of 17 North Shillong, and youth can bring change. Our goal is to win. Our goal is to win. And this is actually my desire, that we all, can work together and can bring change, especially for the 17 North Shillong. And as I said, we will all come together with one focus, and that is, to make North Shillong proud again, to make North Shillong proud again. And I want all of you, to give your left and right hand, to work together. And, as we work together, I have no doubts at all that we will win in 2023. We will win in 2023.
Habakran na kanigasngi, Dr. rkhie uloong baka North Shillong constituency kadai ka bapdeng hakajing kon manyo jella bapura house nam khat khandai spa nyopo hadu khat khandai spa nyopo ar bat kerpat ikipaj ba bakim dei ban pynlong ka North Shillong kum ka constituency ban shah rkhie bein henry donkam ban trai shitom na ka banta ban wanrah biang ya ka nam bat ka buram ta hapo ka ni ka constituency henry ya ka jella hi brok away
kumba mai in hapaman sini ngepek di poster jogi candidate jogi yang kumne let us make North Shillong proud again angangan ong iki don't make North Shillong erstwhile Maukar constituency the laughing stock of Meghalaya kene kedai di kerpat jonga jepi bapin tresitong kum kinong trai jong parti bon wanrah ye jinjok jong parti jongi hakni consensus target jong parti ke jongi kelong bangin job habarok ki benta jong ke thain lammi jong ri India ke jongi penyeteli ki jai pere ke bedan ngani ke thain but bangin lek sak Delhi kum ke moto jong ke parti ke jongi ni ong one voice one northeast balai ke mau kata ke Thailand mi jong ke India ke jongi ke don kumba artusan ke MP Lok Sabha bak kumonong habo arto ke MP Rajya Sabha lada in lek sedali ni dei benlek le kumno ong duna ya ke khasan arto lani artusan ke MP nang ba kata kamu ipi one voice one northeast will be heard in Delhi lada ka ka bangile kada ka basisha ai jadi kersan handrai WhatsApp pun be hak itu belabat hak bor ibakok ba kin penduk kin penduk ya kene agreement ke baladep katukan ni teligi snong aku por mi don aku bor kim not balai ai dam don aku bor bonot sudah balai no ang kita aku por bagi breu jongi isasiat langpi don menot ban kemi ke polis nasam itu gilai cum lele ai namar kata dari pej kini di border jongi di breu jongi sale be ni dai ban le ai te langi pej hange Shillong matrai kawai ngacu ai nuksai pi tay ka bagi tip hoy mentala kelaya ka sa ka viventa mo ko kroboro ka bagi ong ai surok Shillong ki matrai office village office jok di mat kersi ni gitu menta kala trai kam bat kini ke mariat ro ngakrai kini ki benai in play hoy bon ai ki ba kala ayat election ni sepen i ya ka ai ko sorkar ke Meghalaya